All right, fully assembled here. This is the Maksiwa 1600, smaller version, good for my home shop here. Sliding saw. So far, things are pretty good right out the box. Made a couple test cuts. Seems accurate. Did some minor adjustments, obviously, just to check things. I will say, overall, pretty impressed with the quality of most everything. In particular, this is really nice. The fence system is pretty nice. These are definitely seem like they're pretty good quality. There's not much out there on the internet about it, so I figured I'd give you at least a view of it. We literally just got it all assembled maybe 2 hours ago. Not using that overhead dust collection yet. We'll say this piece of metal right here, absolute beast. Absolute beast. All right, we'll see if we can get some more content out there. Current owners, future owners. Also set up a Maksiwa owners group on Facebook. I'd say go ahead and join that. Let's see how we can help each other.